Hello and welcome to the Spring 2024 Major Challenge Theme Reveal video. Reflecting on our last challenge, I was absolutely blown away by the creativity, innovation, and dedication that you all showed. In fact, I'm still buzzing about the awesome games I was able to play and share with you all, and I am very excited to see what you come up with next. This next event will be our last major challenge to earn a potential of up to 20 points out of the 50 total needed to qualify for the regional event. Remember, you don't need to have completed the Winter Challenge in order to participate in the Spring Challenge, so if you want to participate, make sure you do. Just like our last event, students across Canada will have 30 days to make a game as a team based on a theme which will be revealed in this video. And that theme is... Things are not always what they seem. Imagine the possibilities. Characters who aren't who they're supposed to be, stories that twist and turn, or narratives that unravel in unexpected ways. Whether it's a hidden truth waiting to be uncovered, or a world that defies your perceptions, this theme is your canvas. You have 30 days to bring your vision to life, and I will be eagerly awaiting your submissions and, of course, playing the top games right here, sharing the journey with you and my audience. I can't wait to see what you all come up with. So have fun, good luck, and remember, things are not always what they seem.